Okay, today I will be listing 10 Nerf War tactics that I created. So whenever you're going out for a Nerf War, be sure to follow these instructions. Okay, number 1, start with number 10. 10, follow orders. So, if your captain is saying, take cover here, he means take cover here because there's probably an enemy right there, so you're like, you'll get shot. So, I keep reading 1, 2, 3. 9, you will lose darts. So, but you can buy like 16 packs at Target for like $5. So, number 8, bring clips. So, you may use all your ammo. This is another thing. Sort of save ammo. Go like, okay, out of ammo. No, like, really, out of ammo, like, completely. So, that would be bad if you were completely out of ammo. So, bring lots of clips. I suggest buying, like, the bandolier or the tactical vest. You can put lots of clips and darts for you to use. Sneak attacks. It's one of the best tactics when in a Nerf War. So if you go and do, like, dumb warfare, you go up and start shooting at each other, like, standing up and open. You hide behind a tree with all the guys on your team, and then stage, like, guerrilla attacks on them. So, number 6, hide, which is part of sneak attack. So if you're going like, come on guys, let's go, like moving, the enemy will see you, then they'll shoot you. Number 5, take cover. Again, with the follow orders. If the guy's hiding right there and you go, yeah, let's go, they'll die. So, it's not a smart idea. Number 4, bring a primary and a secondary. Even if you do have like a bandolier kit and you use all of your ammo, or the enemy is close range and you don't want to waste primary ammo, you bring a secondary. And if you only have a secondary, it's short range. Most of them are single fire and not a lot of ammo. Number 3, have good combos. So if you have something like the Vulcan as a primary and the Long Strike as a secondary, you're going to be like, ugh! Like that. Or if you do a bunch of single fire guns, like the Long Strike, and then you bring a Night Finder. You want to have, like, maybe something, yeah, once, I'm just going to bring us to the CS-18 really quick. You can do single fire or rapid fire, so that's good. Kind of like the Vulcan. Number 2, reload. So, if you're out of ammo, you're going to go like, yeah, shoot me. And also, when the enemies aren't near, or when you're hiding behind a corner ready to attack, that's the best time to reload because the enemy isn't attacking. So if you're in the middle of a fight, you go like, oh, out of ammo. Oh. Excellent. Just perfect time for the enemy to shoot you. So you just try to avoid reloading in the open as much as possible. Have good guns. If you have 2 eliminators and you're going against the guy with one of those a vulcanized tripod attached to a stampede with like duct tape or something dumb like that, you're gonna lose. So that's just 10. I'll try to think of more, but follow those rules when you're in a Nerf war, or else this will happen. Let's do this. You can end the video now because I'm touching the camera.
Go out, be sure 58.